hey, it's Catherine from Catherine Puller Designs. Our Signature Series subscription is back. It was so popular last year, you all have been asking for a rerun. So we have our 6-month program starting up here very shortly. It's open for pre-orders right now, and the first shipment will go out the first week of April. Here is our first set. It's called Oh Happy Day stamp set. We have the coordinating dies and then this adorable happy layered die. So this is what you get in the subscription, but new this year, we have add-ons. So we have our signature Happy Day patterned paper with a fantastic color combo. You get 5 designs, 5 sheets of each. Oh, this isn't one of the papers. I love this rainbow stripe. And then we have the layering dies. These have super fun dots and scallops all the way around. And then the rainbow connection layered stencil, and that's where this comes in. This is a showstopper, so you're definitely going to want to add this on. So you can do month to month. You can choose just the Signature Series. You can choose any of the add-ons. And for a very limited time, you can do an I Want It All and pay for the whole kit and caboodle at once and just have it shipped and delivered to your door every single month. This set includes so many options for layering and mixing and matching and creating unique looking circles and suns. So you do the outside and then the centers. You can layer different colors and really make them unique in your own. My favorite part might be the smiles. I also love this little heart because it's a cute little accent to add to your suns. So cute. The theme of this set is happy. So we have a large happy stamp and then secondary sentiments to go with it. So happy day. Oh, happy day. This is great. I love the little woot. This one is so cute too. Aw, yeah. And then we have I Knew You Could Do It, as well as You Totally Deserve This. Your subscription is also going to come with dies, so you can cut out your adorable suns. And just look at these. You're also going to get your happy layered word die, and you can do something like this. You can layer it onto patterned paper, you can layer it onto colored cardstock, or direct to paper cardstock. And my favorite way to use that die is rainbow. Whether you choose the basic subscription or add any or all of the add-ons, you're going to make bright, sunny, adorable cards. Click the link below the video to head over to our website and learn more about this program and see if it's for you. Thanks so much for being here. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you again very soon.